indeed. That's it for me. Back to you, Anna.
Thank you, Darren.
Deal quieter today. We're not out of the woods just yet. By the end of this week, particularly into the weekend, we'll start to pick up a strengthening south or southwesterly wind, gales or severe gales. It will be mild, but those winds again will introduce more cloud and some rain with the threat of flooding, particularly in the north and west. Now, this is the current flood situation. Some 18 warnings across England and Wales, none in Wales, across the Midlands, Anglia and also Scotland. More rain expected, that flood line number there, if you are at all concerned. At least it's mild. It's mild too across many parts of Europe. Here's a selection of cities from yesterday. 15 degrees, the average only 1 or 2. You can see how mild it is. And a little changing in this part of Europe over the next few days. The really colder air is way to the north through Moscow, occasionally edging in towards Kiev. It turns very much milder through Spain and France later on this week. It's mild weather that's a problem for the Alps in particular. More snow is needed. It looks largely dry over the next few days. Recently, though, there was some rain on some of those lower slopes. Further north, though, for Scandinavia, in the colder air, so those snow peaks are somewhat crisper and it looks a little better here. Now, back home, we've seen some snow today in Scotland. This was seen Aberdeen earlier on. The snow has turned to rain now, but we're seeing a band of rain moving northwards across Scotland. It's going to bring a spell of snow for northern Scotland, not just over the hills, but for a time over low ground too. Here's the wetter weather in the north, clearly showing up there. To the south, we've got a fair bit of cloud, a few showers wandering in from the west. They'll wander in towards England and Wales with some brighter weather coming in across parts of Northern Ireland. Temperatures pretty good on the face of it, 11 or 12, a little bit chillier across the far north, of course. That rain and snow across northern Scotland will gradually ease away overnight and it will become quieter for us all. And then for tomorrow, rain gathering in the west and the south, combining and then shuffling across many parts of the UK. So some more rain to come, especially for England and Wales. Some heavy bursts of rain for a time. It'll push northwards and then eastwards with some brighter showery weather for Scotland and for Northern Ireland in the afternoon. Temperatures again pretty good, 9 to 11 degrees. That rain will clear away during Wednesday night, and Thursday for eastern areas, not too bad at all. Let's hope so. Some bright weather, some sunshine, especially in the morning. Wet and windy in the west. That will sprint across to eastern areas later on in the afternoon. That's due to that weather front there. Another one coming in on Friday. Looks very windy by the end of the week with more rain to